my channel. This is Shrija. Hope you guys are doing great and I'm also good. Actually, I couldn't do a video since few months. I know I'm sorry for that, but I had exams, I had to study, so I was a bit busy with all my classes and competitive exams and stuff like that. But today really needed a break, so finally I decided to do this video. So today's video is gonna be ever stylish earrings haul. So why late? Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, in this haul, I also got a chain and a finger ring with the other earrings. So actually I got this purchase a few weeks back, but as I couldn't film a video, I didn't show it to you guys. So I included those also in this earrings haul. So let's start off with this cute little finger ring. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I'll just open it and show it to you. So this is the finger ring. I think you guys can see it. So it has this little cute footprints on it. I really like this. This is so cute. It's actually a toe ring, so you can use it as a toe ring as well as a finger ring. It's up to you. So I'll just show it to you guys. Like, look how cute it is. So yeah, I really like this. I couldn't resist myself from purchasing this cute ring. So yeah, I really recommend for you guys. Guys, moving on to the next are this classic oxidized jhumkas. I really like these. These jhumkas aren't different, I admit, but they are evergreen and classic. So it has a peacock here, and down there is a jhumka, and bottom there is a white pearl, cute little pearl hanging. So that gives a really cute and beautiful look to these earrings. These can go ultimately with any ethnic wear, either saris, half saris, ghagras, lehengas, kurtas, like whatnot, everything. And even it goes really well with a plain white shirt. It is gonna be amazing. Trust me, these are like one of the classic pieces you have to have in your accessories, in your earrings. So this is the one. And moving on to the next are this big oxidized jhumkas again. I already told you in my last Ever Stylish haul. And yeah, by the way, there are a couple more Ever Stylish hauls in my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen them yet, then go to my channel and see those videos. And I'm pretty sure you'll be happy with the collection, and you also get some ideas. So you can check the Ever Stylish website for those pieces because they're really amazing. So these are the next jhumkas. They are really big. I mean, yeah, for people like me with small face, they are big. So these are also oxidized earrings. It has this peacock print here, and the jhumkas. I love this sound so much. So whenever we keep them, we move our heads, and the sound, this really is amazing. I mean, I like it. So and guys, please don't come into a misconception that these look so big, so they are very heavy. No, they are not. They're absolutely lightweight. So trust me, because my mom, I really like big earrings, but my mom never allows me to buy big earrings because they're very heavy, so they hurt my ears. So but this is not the one. So sorry. Okay, it happens. So these okay, what's wrong with me? I know, I'm so sorry. with this, okay. No, I'm showing it to you like this. I'm showing it to you like this. So, okay, don't slip out of my hand. I'm gonna kick you. So guys, okay, sorry. So like, have a look at this earrings. So, I mean, these are really pretty, so they don't hurt your ears, and they're so cute. And so try these. Guys, moving on to the next are the Western earrings I got. These are the geometric earrings. They look so good. So it has a rectangle here, a golden rectangle. I think you guys can see it. Yeah, a golden a golden rectangle, a cube, and a triangle. This is isosceles triangle. I don't care. Okay, this is equilateral triangle and a straight line. So I know I'm speaking very mathematically, but they're the ones. You guys can see it. I'll show it to you with my fingers. I hope these earrings won't slip like the before ones. Yeah, they won't. Okay. So guys, these look so fancy and classy. So with business suits, blazers, party wear, anything, they go really well. And the next, okay, and the next one I'm gonna show are the oxidized half buttas or half jhumkas. Okay. Why do India have so many languages? Why? Because I don't know. Okay, so this is the jhumka, half jhumka. I mean, this is so cute. This is so tiny, but I actually didn't think this would be this small while ordering them, but they came out so small. But that's fine. I mean, not only all the big ones. You should also have some tiny, cute little jhumkas for your daily wear kurtas or something like that. So this really works out. And this is a half jhumka, so it's not a full jhumka. Your backside, you can see it has nothing. It's hollow. Oops, yeah. And this is the front. It has this red jewel here. This is so cute. So guys, let's move on to the next. I'm sorry if you're afraid of my hairstyle, but I can't help it. It's summers, and that in my city it's super hot, so I can't help it. So moving on to the next is my favorite piece. I really like this, the command chain. I really totally love this. But I mean, once I got this, my dad, you know what he asked? Why is this chain here? It should be in a dog's neck, not in your closet. I said, seriously, you kidding me? This is the style, Papa. That's the common answer every daughter gives to her father, I guess. So yeah, I really like this. This is so cute. I mean, this goes really well with everything like turtlenecks, what do you call it, boat necks, closed necks and all. So yeah, I like it. So guys, that's it for today's haul. And coming to my outfit, I'm wearing is this red cheetah print top from Shoppers Top. I already did a haul about on this top from the clothing stuff. I got it from Shoppers Top. That video is in my channel. If you haven't seen that video, go and check that out. And my earrings, I think I already mentioned about these earrings in my previous video, one of my previous video. I don't remember clearly, but these are from West Side. this cute, really nice hoops, and then this hairband, I really like it. This is from Forever 21. This also I showed in the haul of H&M and Forever 21. If you haven't seen these videos, go and check them out in my channel. They're really nice. It has really some good collection of clothes, and the other two Ever Stylish hauls also have a good collection of jewelry. So guys, and in this COVID time, I really want to say you all, be safe. Do not go out until and unless it is really, really important. It is not safe. So be safe. Follow all the precautions, sanitization, and be safe, and keep your surroundings and your surrounding people safe. That's the thing I really want to say. And if you're really, really bored in house, I do get that. Shop like me if you're too bored, because that's what I'm doing. All the thing I'm doing is shopping, eating, sleeping, and studying. Yeah, I had to because I have a lot of exams coming, and and I also shopped some other stuff, clothing stuff. I'm gonna show you in my further haul videos. So stay tuned. Until then, bye bye.